Welcome to our interior design tutorial for black basement walls. Whether you have concrete blocks, poured concrete, or other structural components, we'll show you how to make your basement a beautiful and functional living space. Before we start decorating, make sure your basement is clean and dry. Repair any cracks or leaks and ensure proper drainage. Insulation is key to maintaining a comfortable temperature. Apply insulation between the studs or over concrete walls. Don't forget the vapor barrier to keep moisture at bay. Create a frame using studs and furring strips. This provides a surface for attaching finishes and decorations. Now, let's talk about finished materials. You can choose from drywall, decorative panels, or even reclaimed wood for a unique look. Attach your chosen finish materials to the frame securely. Make sure to level and plumb for a polished look. Personalize your space with artwork, mirrors, and shelving. Proper lighting can enhance the ambience. Consider recessed lighting or wall sconces. If you have window wells, clean and paint them to brighten the space. Install curtains or blinds for privacy and control over natural light. Ensure the basement remains dry by maintaining your drainage system and adding a waterproofing membrane. Damp proofing will prevent moisture from seeping through. Safety first. If your basement is prone to flooding, install or maintain a sump pump to prevent water damage. Finally, add your personal touch with furniture, rugs, and decorative accents. Incorporate color and textures to create a welcoming atmosphere. And there you have it. Your basement has been transformed into a stylish and functional living space, making the most of its structural components. Enjoy your new cozy retreat. Thank you for watching, and happy decorating.